back to my channel. Today we're going to go around. It's going to be a very calming vlog, but today we're going to do City Darshan and I'm going to show you something that's very famous in Melbourne. What is it? Was that the beaches? Beaches bhi bahut famous hai. Har cheez yahan pe bahut famous hai, but one thing is what Melbourne is very known for. What is it? Keep guessing and come along. आज ट्रैम्स का फ्री होने का लास्ट डे है तो हम यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं. हम गाड़ी में नहीं जा रहे हैं. We're going to take the tram from St. Kilda to the city, obviously, City Darshan. But I'm going to show you something that's, as I said, very famous in Melbourne. But वो क्या है? आओ देखते हैं. Say hi. Is Melbourne famous for the Flinders Street Station, you think? Melbourne ka Flinders Street Station is the station that the map got swapped with the Mumbai Station, railway station. आगे से दिखाते हैं, but it's really nice. But this is not the only thing it's famous for. It's famous for something else that we're going to go to right now. I'll show you. This is Melbourne. हम लोग Flinders Street से we are going to the place where we're going that I'm going to show you. But बीच में हमें मिले हैं free books. For no reason, I don't know why. But so this is वो पूरा ही Flinders Station and this is what it's famous for. This is the De Graves Lane. It's famous for a lot of cafes are here. एक ही street पे बहुत सारे cafes और restaurants इकट्ठे हैं. And it's very pretty. It's also famous for graffiti जो wall पे होती है. बहुत सारी lanes हैं जहाँ पे लोग graffiti देखने जाते हैं. उनके आगे photos खिंचवाते हैं. And the main thing it's famous for coffee. So this is the coffee lane, you can say so. But it's pretty and abhi jayenge aage. This is what I was talking about. The graffitis are very famous because it's very pretty. Wow. Cafes are opposite to each other and beach mein inhone sitting area banaya hai between and chalne ki jagah bhi hai. But abhi the toughest part I think is to choose where are we going to sit in between so many cafes. But we've chosen one. And I'll tell you which one that is. पहले बैठ जाते हैं. It is Espresso Mundo and the window is open. It's not a closed window so you can see what's happening outside. I can even hear what's happening outside and we're sitting inside. Now we're going to order coffee. What we have come to have. Let's order. Coffee is one. Book पकड़ो. पढ़ लेंगे. Book भी पढ़ लेंगे. The chair is बहुत नीचे. मैं तो एकदम ही नीचे हो गई हूँ. One thing I want to tell you, because these cafes are very small and tiny and they're opposite each other and the sitting area is mainly the middle thing that I showed you. Toilets होना in cafes में थोड़ा मुश्किल हो सकता है. So you can ask them where you can go. Otherwise, because you're on Flinders, there are definitely public toilets around and there are other cafes and restaurants where you can go to as well. Or you can go and walk down a Burke Street, go to Myers. Myers also have their own toilets. So, yeah. Finally, we didn't take that much time to decide हम क्या order करेंगे, but the menu is really big and good. It's really nice. सुबह wine तो नहीं पी सकती मैं. हम काफी पियेंगे. Matcha नहीं है इनके पास. Any matcha lovers? Matcha नहीं है इनके पास. Sorry. इसने एंगल चेंज करा ये सोच के कि यहाँ से दिखा रहे. क्यों? अच्छा तो मैं कट जाऊँ. मैं ना सही बात है. फिर आना जरूरी है. सही बात है. जॉनी ब्रावो नहीं लग रहा है.
Guys, please comment और बताएं कैसा लगा.
मैं जॉनी ब्रावो की फोटो. Hi, how are you? Yes, please. Thank you. And हमारा ऑर्डर भी विंडो से लिया जा रहा है. Can we have one of your green eggs as well? That's it for now. Yes. Thank you. The coffees are here.
Black and white. Oh, Anshu, we are actually black and white. Like in the camera, my jacket is. Oh, like what you thought? I was talking about clothes. And it's feeling so good. It's so cold outside, and then you can have a sip of warm or hot coffee, and your body feels very light and relaxed.
Coffee is also good. But Padai, I want to say one thing. Whoever comes to De Graves Lane, I think the only more and most famous place in this lane is also the Quarter Half. बहुत फेमस है, उसकी कॉफ़ी बहुत अच्छी है एंड आई थिंक दिस इज समवेयर मैचिंग इट. आई वोंट से दिस इज वेरी मच कंपेरेबल बट मेलबर्न कॉफ़ी इज नेवर यस थैंक यू. It looks yum. Let's have it. Tell you. खींचो
खींचो.
अपनी तरफ.
अच्छा.
Yellow plates.
You have to.
Yes, I have 2 plates. Why would she give us 1? I'm very clumsy guys. सुबह सुबह कुछ तोड़ के आई हूँ मैं घर पे. हाथ में मेरे छेद है.
Don't bring that up, Anshu. Don't bring that up. We got a mixie 2 weeks back, and today I asked her to make a milkshake for me. She was just taking out the
I was having my water और बीच में इसने बोला मैं उठ के चली गई. मैंने कहा बना देती हूँ. मैंने मिक्सी उठाई उतारी उठाई और वो गिर गई. इट्स ओके. मैं विंडो पे रखा है कैमरा एकदम ही पीछे करके, कोई अगर उठा के ले गया. वैसे मेलबर्न है, यहाँ तो नहीं होगा ये.
Melbourne is changing, my friend. You hear so many stories about theft and everything.
Theft, yeah.
Rain falls heavy on my window.
Chut, chapat, chut.
Very nice. I think कॉफ़ी से ज़्यादा अच्छा था ग्रीन एग्स.
मुझे बहुत ही बढ़िया फ्लेवर लगा, लेकिन मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि पेस्टो और एग्स को मिलके स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग बहुत टेस्टी लगेगा, लेकिन काफ़ी अच्छा था गाइस. रियली एंजॉय.
Very nice. पता भी नहीं चल रहा था. I think the flavor,
Yes.
the flavors
Was too
itself
flavorful.
was, oh my god, amazing. Whole thing when you have it together as a bite, oh my god, like it was really nice, very nice. मज़ा आ गया. अब कॉफ़ी इसीलिए हम टेक अवे में लेते हैं क्योंकि अब हम कॉफ़ी चलते चलते पिएंगे. So finally, by the way, also this was the excitement, and this was what Melbourne is famous for. It's coffees, and it's Graves Lane, which I wanted to show you. So this is what it is.
And there is an interesting story. So unofficially, me and Anshul met here for the first time. Do you remember?
Not the first time, but हम
here,
जब
like-
पहली बार we went out for coffee with friends, and that too with friends. We're always surrounded with people, always.
Which I like.
Which also I like. अभी आगे I think I don't want to finish it here. I can finish my vlog here, but I want to show you more. I think we're going to go to the city. थोड़ी shopping करते हैं, थोड़ी मस्ती करते हैं. As I said, this vlog is going to be a calming vlog. So थोड़ा सा दिखाते हैं आपको और city vibe. So come along. I want to tell you the coffee जो हमें $6 की लग रही थी. Large coffee is for $7 and $1 extra for almond milk. Your small was for $5 and $1 extra for almond milk. So coffee prices बढ़ गए हैं apparently. या इसके ऐसे थे मेरे को नहीं पता.
And I think it's expensive now.
Yeah. As I said, Melbourne is so famous. It's so famous for our coffees. Our coffee? I mean, it's so famous for coffees की. सिर्फ लेन की बात नहीं है, पर आपको हर जगह से छोटे छोटे कैफेज मिल ही जाएंगे. कॉफ़ी और सैंडविचेस, एक और कॉफ़ी. आइसक्रीम शॉप है, बट कॉफ़ी भी मिल जाए. तो कॉफ़ी की कमी नहीं है. Another Japanese cafe. Coffee. Now we go inside. This is Bona. Now this, after we cross this, हम बर्क स्ट्रीट आ जाएंगे.
Voices call your name, whispers cold like winter frost, counting
That's
every moment
H&M.
lost.
इतना बड़ा H&M मैं देखा guys. और उतना ही बड़ा मेका है जो भी दिखाऊंगी मैं. आज इसको प्राइस पता चला है उस लिप ग्लॉस का जो इसने मेरा खोया था. रोड का लिप बाम which was 35 AUD. मेरे लिए it's okay but कितने के आते हैं? कितना 5-10 रुपए के आते हैं.
मैंने तो हमेशा वो लगाया है.
5-10 रुपए का कहाँ आता है?
5
Vaseline.
Vaseline.
ये उससे आगे बढ़ नहीं पाए हैं.
काम वही है सबका.
Free flow.
Eyes wide open in a waking dream, silent tears in the moonlight gleam. Stars
That was our little Mecca.
torn in the
कुछ तो ले लिया. विंडो शॉपिंग इसने बोला था ना. विंडो शॉपिंग लग नहीं रहा मुझे विंडो शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं. डेविड जोन से जा रहे हैं मायर्स. दिस इज़ ऑल Bike Street. And I think Mines will be our last spot. उसके बाद हम घर जाएंगे, थोड़ा relax करेंगे. देखते हैं.
Rain falls heavy on my window pane, whispering secrets of a lost refrain. Shadows dance with
And we finish our day. Shopping खत्म, विंडो शॉपिंग हो गई. इसने तो ले लिया अपना कोट, मेरे को कुछ नहीं मिला है. कहाँ चलना है? नहीं नहीं, मेरे को कहीं नहीं जाना, घर जाएंगे अब हम. So it's gonna be a wrap for this vlog. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. But अभी हम भागेंगे थोड़ा सा ट्रैम के लिए. And finally we got the tram. भाग के मिली पर मिल गई. अब हम घर जा रहे हैं. We're gonna rest and we're gonna finish. But I hope you liked the vlog and you enjoyed our cafe coffee day. But like our cafe experience. And I hope you loved the Diggers Lane and our window shopping. जो window shopping नहीं रही इसलिए कुछ
night
खरीद
sky
लिया.
empty without your
I
light.
hope you loved it.
Silent
And keep
echoes
sharing
in
your
the
love.
dark of
Enjoy
night.
the vlog and I'll keep
Faces
showing you
blur
love
in a
with my
crowded
eyes.
space.
More and more
All
whatever
I
I can
see
say. But
is
I
a
hope
fading
you loved
trace.
it.
Hearts a battlefield left untamed. Broken pieces.